Deviled eggs are a classic appetizer that are both easy to make and delicious to eat. To start, you will need to hard-boil your eggs until they are fully cooked. Once your eggs have cooled, carefully peel off the shells and slice them in half lengthwise. Next, gently remove the cooked yolks from each half and place them in a separate bowl. To create the flavorful filling for your deviled eggs, mash the egg yolks with a fork until they are smooth and creamy. Then, add mayonnaise, mustard, and a variety of seasonings, such as salt, pepper, and paprika, to taste. Mix the ingredients together until well combined, making sure to taste and adjust the seasoning as desired. Using a spoon or piping bag, carefully fill each egg white half with the yolk mixture, creating a rounded top. To garnish your deviled eggs, sprinkle a pinch of paprika or chopped fresh herbs, such as parsley or chives, on top. Once your deviled eggs are assembled, place them on a serving platter and refrigerate them until you are ready to serve. Enjoy these delightful bite-sized treats at your next gathering or as a quick and easy snack. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.